Hey everyone, welcome back to Slime Rancher. I'm gonna check some mail. Rise and shine, Casey.
Hi, B. What's it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? I can't imagine what that's like. 7Z puts you in a pod and then lights out for all that time. Wow. What's the far, far range like? Have you started exploring? Is the air as clear as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. I'm probably asking too many questions. I bet you have a lot of work to do. The pics of that ranch were pretty run down. I still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave it to it. Be thankful I didn't send you any of the mails I wrote over the last year. You would have had a whole novel to read when you woke up. I'll keep it short. Good luck, B. If anyone can make it out there, it's you, Casey.
Cool. Welcome to the Far Far Range, the 7Z Corporation. Miss LeBeau, the 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the Far Far Range. Welcome. And extend our support in your bold new venture as a slime rancher. Support extended. We would also like to request that you exercise caution in your first few days on the range. Until you get more familiar with your surroundings, traveling at night is not advisable. Lastly, should you require any additional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranching experience easier, the 7Z Corporation would be pleased to provide them to you from the shop located just outside your ranch house. The 7Z Corporation, providing the tools you need to get the job done for us for a small v. The 7Z Corporation. And that, my friends, is capitalism in a nutshell. Alright, back to the ranch. There are lots of areas. And now, I just want to make a lot of money. This is like a great little capitalist simulator 5000. So, in that vein, I'm going to go catch a bunch of cats and I think go explode that enormous slime. So to that end, I need carrots and fruits. Cool. Okay, carrots are not grown. And now we run. No carrots here. Ugh. You know, I call them parasites, but I really do love the cute little noises all the slimes make. It's adorable. Alright, so first things first. Bam. Broke my legs again. And take some fruit from here. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. So, oh yes, very hungry. Dang. Never remember how much food. Okay. Oh, really? Really? Alright. Alright. Oh. Look, they killed they're such monsters though, right? Adorable little monsters. Because they kill the hens, and these little chickadoos, they're orphans now. It's outrageous. It's just outrageous. And they knock me over the head. It's just a... Oh. Wait, I think I remember what's down here. I think it leads to danger. What's here then? Oh, hi, friend! Okay, you need fruit. What? What's this? Treasure pods! Oh, I want treasure pods! Okay, so now I gotta go into the danger zone. And then gotta go quickly. Oh! Heartbeats. Okay. And then we're running some more. And jumping. Okay, I want one of you too. Alright, screw it. You monster! Ah! Eat my stony hen. Oh wait, there's another one. Bye. Okay. Deep breaths. Okay, I think the tabby ones are less... Oh, well, there, good. Eat that and then die. And then kill your friends. A key! Oh man. Okay, now we're running. That's what you get. Feral slime's trying to attack me. I know how your ecosystem works. Oh, more mail. Cool. Okay. Oh, hey. Okay. Don't eat my rock hands. It's just mean. It's just mean. Ooh, Q-berries. Okay. Oh, I don't have room for this either. Hachimachi, what the? Alright. I completely forgot what I came here to do either. So, whatever. I'm going home. Don't hurt me. So, A number 1. I'm gonna create a farm. Here. Here. Okay, garden. Purchase. Yep. I'm gonna shoot a heartbeat in it. Perfect. Then, rock plort. Okay. Let's see, cats are up. That's good to know. And then chickens go here. We have a stony hen in here. Let's breed already. Breed! What? Oh my gosh, the miracle of life. Amazing. Oh, amazing. You! You monster. Okay, so as punishment, the pink slime is oh, there are berries behind here? Oh, pogo fruit. Man, things I do not pay attention to. Alright, to water you come, to water you return. Bye. Oh, wait. Oh, yes, I know what this is. This is a trading thing. And I'm sure that's what the mail was about. Okay, I want all those things. So let's go catch some pogo fruit and make this happen. Alright, that was ready to pop, so I need to get all of those. Alright, pogo fruits, ahoy! No! How dare you! Monsters. Alright, let's see if I can grab any other things. Get away from these rocks. Rooster, mine. Okay. Bye, hen. I'm sorry, little chickadoo. You're an orphan now. Evil. Evil slimes. Alright, so I want the cats. And I want the cat plorts. So I'm actually gonna do something I don't want to do, but that makes sense. Aw, dumb little cat. You can't eat that. You don't eat those things. Alright, let's see here. Alright, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna keep coming back until I get what I want. Evade the slimes, grab the poops. That's the goal. Let's see, the phosphorus should be coming out soon, which is good. But I need to get more cat poops. Once I put the roostro down, that'll definitely help. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not dead. This is important. Okay. Put the rooster in here. Then put the plorts in here. Cool. Then we have pogo fruit. Oh, I just need 2? Ha! Awesome. Okay. Yoink. And then 8 phosphor slimes, which will happen very easily. Okay. Taking you. And I'm taking you, and I'm taking you, and I'm taking you. Okay, breed. And then I am doing that, that, and that. Okay. Oh, you know what I should just do? Yeah. Purchase this, and then you go in there. Hey, no. Stay. Stay while I gather these plorts. Cool. Okay, now you can go back. And you? Whoa, okay. Still got the 5. Got no money. Cool. Okay, so I need phosphor plorts, and then what am I getting? Cool. Okay, it's phosphor slime time. Because it's late enough. I think I need 8 of them. I don't remember. But they should be twinkling into existence pretty soon. Oh, did they eat all my carrots? The monsters! They're like locusts. They're like pink, slimy locusts. That's the reality. Nope. Slimy locusts. Hen-killing slimy locusts. Outrageous. Where are the phosphors? Alright, you... You I'm gonna feed pogo fruit. Oh wait! Oh wait! Wait. Wait, that one's near exploding, which is not great. I mean, it is ultimately great for me, but oh, okay, I see a phosphor slime. Don't turn into something else. What am I doing? Okay, carrots, bam bam. Where are you? You, come here. Thank you. Whew, so much to do in this game. Take that. Now I have to find some phosphors before they breed with other things. Okay. Now I gotta run, because they're new and they're hungry. And now they're mine. Okay. Oh man, I don't think I'm gonna get this. I've got only 2 hours. And there's stony hens, and there are other things I want. This... Alright, it's race against the clock time. Where are their phosphors? Phosphors? Please come out to play. Please? 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 Phosphor slimes, come out to play, 'cause I need to make some money. Where'd you go? Come back, where'd you go? Ha ha ha. Good. I need 2 more. I need 2 more. Is this a matter of killing things and then coming back? Because if it is, I'll do it. Okay, 3 chickadoos. Bam, bam, bam. Alright. I need 2 more. Wait, right? Is that right? 2 more? Yes, damn it. Oh, man, I'm not gonna find them. They normally just, like, emerge. We're looking at a slime genocide here. If I... Oh wait, this other little area that I never go into. Yes. Oh. Nope. Alright. See if I can do it. Oh no! 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 Damn it. Did I literally just miss it? Oh, hey, cool. Okay. Okay. I'm not so upset. But I was really worried. Okay, dokie. Oh, this is so good. This is really good. This is really, 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 really good. Where'd you go? Don't run away. Okay. Okay. I didn't have to kill anything. But I do have 10 slimes I don't want, so that's slightly problematic. Okay. The olds go there. Q-berries. Oh, I do love them. Oh my god, I have too many. Let's see. I think I have enough if I put these phosphor slimes, if I sell them. Okay, ass. I should have enough for storage. Which I'm gonna put, I think... Oh, geez! Okay, I don't want these to expire. Cool. Cool. Good. Still growing that. Alright, they eat veg, so that's good. Cool. Okay, so now... I'm just gonna make a storage unit in the back. So E to activate a silo. Purchase. Yay! So now... Oh, here we go. Bye, slimes! Be free! No, 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 not here. You gotta go. You gotta go, friends. Because I have way too many hens. And they're not gonna produce any more chickadoos. So they gotta go in storage. And same story here. Cool. Ah, perfection. Okay. See what I really need. Oh man. I need feeders, but the thing is, I don't know if the feeders are working, because they kind of weren't in my last save, and it was pretty annoying. Of course, maybe I kind of unethically, like, had a lot of slimes in the same pen, you know? Like, maybe... Alright, you, my little bouncy cutes, have to stay here. Bouncy cutes. Alright. Bam. Okay, and now we're gonna put you back so you don't eat my chickens. There we go. Cool. Alright, I don't think I have enough. No, I don't have enough money, because if I want to add more silos... 500! Oh, come on! 500. Outrageous nonsense. I gotta chase some stupid pink plorts for... Outrageous. Outrageous. Alright, that's still growing, right? Yes. So I will leave these here. Enjoy. And then I will go. Oh, look, the phosphorus in their glory. Why did you... Ugh. Why? Don't debase yourself eating pink poop. Really? It's bad for you. It's bad. Alright, on that note, I'm gonna leave it here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.